Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with some amazing new features, and we're going to see the new feature which will be first introduced in the S23 Ultra. Also, Galaxy S23 Ultra new camera samples are also out, and S23 Ultra will going to come with some shocking price. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I talked about the price of Galaxy S23 Ultra in my last video, but when I look at the Galaxy S23 Ultra price in Turkey, I was shocked, and you guys will surely as well. As per Roland, who shares the prices for the S23 series, says the base model Galaxy S23 will going to cost around 50,000 Turkish lira, and if you convert in dollars, it will be around $2,657, which is insane. And if you go for S23 Ultra, it will be around $3,454, which is a massive increase in the prices of the S23 Ultra. But this is not the case with all countries. Some European countries may see a price jump around 50 to 100 euros maximum, but US pricing for the S23 lineup will remain the same at $1,199 for the S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on the price of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and are you guys willing to get the S23 Ultra? Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to use a new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, you guys might know. But here's a tweet from Corning about the new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, where they says, "We're excited to announce that Samsung Mobile will going to use Gorilla Glass Victus 2 as part of their next flagship smartphone." Why this glass is special? Well, as per lab test, this glass can hold a drop on a harder surface, and as per rumors, about 1 meter, which means this glass is much more durable than the last generation Victus Plus. If you're curious about what is the difference between 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel modes with the new sensor on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then we have the samples for you, as exynos shares these samples. Now this is the 12 megapixel, this one is 50, and this new one is 200 megapixel. As per exynos, these images are enlarged by 8 times, so the 200 megapixel picture must have a lot of details compared to the 12 megapixel. If you feel or not, the color saturation is also different in these images, where 200 megapixel brings a lot of more details. Samsung's trial reservation for the S23 Ultra and the pre-order deals are also great. Some regions will going to get the additional storage option for the same price, others may get the Buds Spray 2 and Watch 5 along with the S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see the Galaxy S23 Ultra detailed unboxing video, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time, till then, peace out.